Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Stellar from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding Stellar XLM on Bitmart and want to transfer it to Gemini for better security or trading options, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First off, before we begin, ensure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Gemini. You'll also need a sufficient balance of Stellar in your Bitmart wallet and be aware of any withdrawal fees or network requirements. Stellar uses its own network, so make sure that's selected to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section in the dashboard. Step 2. Locate Stellar XLM in your asset list. Click on it to open the details page. Step 3. Find and click the Withdraw button. This will take you to the withdrawal form. Step 4. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw. Be mindful of the minimum withdrawal limits and any fees displayed. Step 5. Now, you need the Gemini wallet address for Stellar. Switch to your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, select Stellar, and copy the provided address. Double check that it's for the correct network. Step 6. Back on Bitmart, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Add any required two-factor authentication, 2FA codes for security. Step 7. Review all the details one last time to avoid mistakes. Wrong addresses can lead to permanent loss of funds. Step 8. Confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Once the transfer is complete, log back into Gemini and check your wallet to confirm the Stellar has arrived. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible and never share sensitive information. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this helps you manage your crypto seamlessly. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.